Yeah, next question. Last example that is also very important. It will be different. That is, in mathematics, first of all, you should understand the question. I think in every subject, but especially in mathematics, in remaining subjects, you can remember, you can verify something, some definition, whatever it is. But in mathematics, you should understand the question. So here the last example is asking what to find if the sum of first n six example six sum of first n comma 2n comma 3 n terms. You know already sum of n terms formula Sn is equal to, here given sum of n terms, sum of 2n terms, sum of 3n terms of AP given directly of AP is given what? S1, S2, S1, S2 and S3. S1, S2, S3. S1 is sum of n terms, S2 is sum of 2n terms, S3 is sum of 3n terms. Given. He is asking what? Respectively. Then prove that S3 is equal to 3 into S2 minus S1. S3 is equal to 3 into S2 minus S1. Okay, let us see. Okay, here given S1 is what? Sum of n terms. Given sum of n terms, sum of n terms formula Sn, but here given sum of n terms, sum of n terms is S1. So S1 is equal to n by 2 into S1 is equal to n by 2 into, just a minute, n by 2 is taken, or yeah, n by 2. Why? Because sum of n terms, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Equation number 1, this is S1. Given sum of 2n terms, S2. S2 is equal to n by 2, not n by 2, 2n by 2. Why? Because in place of n we have what here? 2n. Just substitute in place of n 2n. That's it. So I'm writing clearly. S2 is equal to 2n by 2. 2 will get cancelled. We will do later. Into 2a plus 2n minus 1 into d. Equation number 2. Next, given sum of 3n terms, 3n terms is S3. That is only given. 3n terms of sum is S3 here. So S3 is equal to 3n terms. So 3n by 2 into 2a plus 3n minus 1 into d, equation number 3. So this is the given data. Is asking what to prove S3 is equal to this. So S3 is equal to this. I am taking RHS and I will prove that is equal to S3. Now RHS. RHS is what? 3 into S2 minus S1. 3 into S2 minus S1 is equal to 3 into S2. This is S2. See, I am not cancelling these two. Why? Because I will tell you why. See, what is S2? 2n into 2a plus 2n minus 1 into d by 2 by 2. Total I am writing, but the divisible 2 I am writing for total. Why? Because in bracket there are all terms. So this into this by 2 means total by 2 we can write. Minus S1 means this total you have to write. That is what? N into 2a plus n minus 1 into d by 2. Why I am writing like this? Total term by 2 to write LCM. Okay, now LCM is 2 only. If you cancel 2, again you have to multiply with 2 when you are doing LCM. That's why I am not cancelling this 2. Now I'm doing LCM is 2 is equal to 3 bracket open. LCM I am writing 2 is the LCM. 2 is the LCM. Now numerator 2n 2a plus 2n minus 1 into d n into 2a plus n minus 1 into d as it is I am writing 2n same I am writing. I am not doing anything. Next step I will do something 2a plus 2n minus 1 into d minus n into 2a plus n minus 1 into d by 2 is the LCM. We have to prove this is equal to S3. What is S3? This you should get. 3 by 2 into something you should get. Okay. See, 3 by 2. We can write outside 3 by 2. 3 by 2 bracket open. See, 3 by 2 was this. We got 3 by 2. Into multiple, we need to get n. If you observe numerator, one term and one more term. Two terms in subtraction. In those two terms, the n is common. We can take n common. I am taking n common. Taking n common. Remaining terms what? This one, this one, this one, this one. I am writing all terms. 2a next plus 2n minus 1 into d. 2n minus 1 into d. Next minus 2a minus 2a minus into plus minus n minus 1 into d by 2 already I wrote outside. By 2 already I wrote outside. What is S3? 2a plus 3n minus 1 you should get. This is 2n minus into plus minus. Just a minute. S2. Just a minute. Yeah, here what? We are taking n common. More 2 is there. I forgot to write the 2. 2 is there. So 2 into 2, 4a it will be. And next, let's see. This n we took common. 2 into 2, 4a. 2 into this, you have to write 2 into 2n minus 1 into this. This 2 is multiple for only this term. Remaining term as it is. Now expansion, this is very important. 3 by 2 of n also I am writing 3n by 2 of 4a minus 2a will be 2a. 4a minus 2a will be 2a. Next, Ts 2 into 2, 4n plus 4n. 2 into 1 minus 1 into d. Next, this 2 is already completed. Here n minus 1 into d as it is I am writing minus of n minus 1 into d. Minus of n minus 1 into d. We are getting solution. Very soon we will complete the. Here what I did, I am multiplying with 2. 2 into 2 n 4n. 2 into 1. Sorry, this is 2. 2 into 1. 2 into d as this. And minus n minus 1 into d as this. And if you observe, from these two terms, we can take what common? D common. This part is already same as it is in S3. 3n by 2, okay. 2a, okay. And plus 3n minus 1 into d we have to get. That's why I am doing operation for this d term. I am taking d common, then you will get what? 3n by 2 into 2a plus. I am taking d common. That is, I am writing d outside. Remaining terms what? 4n minus 2 minus into plus minus n minus into minus plus 1. I am taking only d common. Taking d common. Remaining terms 4n minus 2. But here we have minus. Now we should multiply with minus. Minus into plus minus n. Minus into minus plus 1. Now simplification if you do, you will get that only. That is what? 3n by 2. 3n by 2 of 2a plus 4n minus n. 3n minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 And what is the multiple for this term? D into D. That is clearly, if you observe, 3. 3n by 2, 2a plus 3n minus 1 into D. So this is nothing but is equal to S3. Therefore, I am writing here conclusion. S3 is equal to 3 by, what is it? 3 into S2 minus S1. Hence proved. Hence proved. Once again, I am explaining. Listen carefully. Given what n terms summation is S1, 2n terms sum is S2, 3n terms sum is S3 given, and he is asking to prove S3 is equal to 3 into S2 minus S1. Now, I wrote S1 is the sum of n terms. So, you know the formula sum of n terms formula is what? N by 2 into this one. The name is given S1. And sum of 2n terms is S2, na? Sum of 2n terms is S2. Sum of 2n terms is S2. Just in place of n, we have 2n. N replaced by 2n. N replaced by 2n. N replaced by 2n. Remaining all of them, equation number 2. Again, I am writing S3 is what? Sum of 3n terms. That is n replaced by 3n. N replaced by 3n. Finish na? Now, is asking to prove this. I am taking RHS. 3 into S2 minus S1. 3 into, I am writing first S2. This is total S2. So, S2 is what? 2n by 2 into this. This 2 we can write the denominator for total sum. That is what I am writing. 2n into 2a plus 2n minus 1d by 2 minus S1. S1 is what? This one, n into 2a plus n minus 1 into d by 2. That's why I am not cancelling 2 to get to LCM. Now LCM is 2. Now I am adding numerators. If there is plus, we can add. If there is minus, we can subtract. There is minus, that's why I am subtracting this minus that. In both sums, the common number is n. So this denominator 2 is LCM. I am writing outside in next step. This one in next step. And this common n also I am writing outside. That is taking n common n. And 2 outside 3, already 3 by 2 and n common. Remaining more 2 is there, not 2 into 2a 4a plus 2 into this term. Next, minus of 2a, minus into plus minus 2a, minus into plus minus n minus 1 into d. Now here, n, this is also common term, na? We can write outside. That's why I am writing n outside. Write the big bracket. Okay, that's why I am writing n outside. Now remaining what? 4a minus 2a, 2a plus this term and this term I am writing here. 2 into 2, 4 into n minus 2 and just 2 into d. Minus, this already completed now, minus of n minus 1 into d. Now I am taking what common from these two? D common. Taking d common. This is 4n minus 2 as it is. There is no negative, that's why. And this is negative, na? We can apply minus into plus minus and minus into minus plus 1. Now simplification. This is as it is continuation. 4n minus n, 3n, minus 2 plus 1, minus 1 into d is clearly S3 that is given in the question is equal to S3. Therefore, S3 equal to 3 into S2 minus S1 and prove. Understand, Jibin? Understand?
Yes, sir.
Copy fast. Send you PDF. I will read question. Then you have to say that is for homework or classwork. I will read now. The previous question model, that is sum of the 2-digit numbers divisible by 5, divisible by 2, divisible by 3, something like that. We can solve like previous solution. Like see question. Reading the question, 9th question. Find the sum of the sum of all two-digit natural numbers divisible by 5. All two-digit natural numbers. Two digits. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 15, 20, 25, so on. This 5 not exist. Why? Because two-digit numbers is asking. And how many numbers is saying? Two-digit numbers. Sum of all two-digit numbers, two-digit natural numbers divisible by 5. Divisible by 5. So here 10, 15, 20, 25 like that we can take. So previous question which is what? Sum of two-digit number divisible by 3. This is divisible by 5. Divisible by 2. Divisible by 7. Like that we can do. Same like previous question, that is question number 9. Already you have PDF, that's why you can write the question from that photo I sent you already. Next question, find the sum of all even numbers. All even numbers between 10 to 100, 10 after 10, 12, 14, 16, so on. Between 100, 10 to 100 means 98 is the last. Same like previous one. Find the sum, SN formula. Okay, so this is also homework question number 10. Next, 11th one. What is 11th one? Is asking what? Find the sum of first 15 multiples of 18. First 15 multiples of 18. This is question number 11. So you have to tell me, can I give this or you can do first 15 multiples of 8. First 15 multiples of 8. You have to say me. Hello.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, can I repeat again?
Find the sum of first 15 multiples. First 15 multiples of 8. First 15 multiples of 8. Sum of first 15 multiples of 8. Very easy you can do. That is what? 15 multiples. Like 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 is 24. Like that, how many numbers he is saying? N is equal to 15. A is equal to 8. D is equal to again 8. Then you can find easily sum of numbers. Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d is the formula. Na? So n is there 15, a is there 8, d is there 8, n is there 15. Just substitute you will get. But this 15 you have to know. 15 is what? Number of terms. 15 multiples is saying. So n is small n is 15. So 15 multiples of 8. First 15 multiples of 8. You have to find the sum. That is question number 11. And question number 12 also you can find. What is that question number 12? Find the sum of odd numbers between 100 and 150. Sum of odd numbers. Sum of odd numbers between 100 and 150. Means the starting will be 101. Not from 100 is saying between 100 and 150. 101, 103, 105, so on, 149. Why? Because 150 is even number. So he is asking sum of all these numbers. This is A, small a is 101. And 103 minus 101 will be 2. So common difference is 2. And the last term Tn is equal to 149. We have to know small n compulsory to find sum of numbers. But here small n is not given. Number of terms is not given. I told you yesterday, if given Tn, we can find n. If given n, we can find Tn. Here given Tn, we can find n by using formula. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. We have Tn, a, n. No, we have to find d. Then substitute here and we can find n. After finding n, go through the formula sum of numbers. What about this question? Tell me. Will you solve?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes. These all are like hints. Now I will give you question number 13. What is question number 13? See the question. The fourth term of AP is 22. Fourth term of AP is 22 and 15th term is 66. 15th term is 66. 15th term is 66. Find the first term and the common difference. Here given fourth term, 15th term is asking first term and common difference, and also is asking what? Find the sum of the series up to 8 terms. So here their series is not given, we have to find series. To write series, we have to know first term and common difference. It is enough. If you know first term is 7 and the common difference is 2, just plus 2 and then again plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, like this we can form the series. Here not given first term and common difference, but given what? Fourth term, 15th term is given. Fourth term formula, T4 is equal to fourth term. T4 is equal to, formula is what? Nth term formula, Tn is equal, first I am writing nth term formula. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. That is Tn. But fourth term, T4 is equal to A plus 4 minus 1 into D. 4 minus 1 into D. This is what? Fourth term. E is given what? 22. Is given what? 22. Simplification. A plus 4 minus 1. 3D is equal to given 22. Equation number 1. And here 15th term is given. 15th term. T15 is equal to A plus 15 minus 1. Why? Because n minus 1 into D is equal to given 66. So A plus 15 minus 1, 14D is equal to 66, equation number 2. Now what I am doing? I am doing 2 minus 1. I am subtracting 2, 1 from 2. Then you should subtract LHS, you should subtract RHS. Now first LHS I am doing. This minus this we have to do, right? A plus 14D minus A minus 3D. Subtraction, I should change the sign. Is equal to 66 RHS subtraction minus 22. Then you will get what? A cancel. 4D minus 3D will be D. And 66 minus 22 will be 44. What is the common difference? 44. Substitute this common difference in 1 or 2 to get the first term. Then substitute in 1. Then what? A plus 3D. D is what? 44. Is equal to 22. Now A plus 3 into 44. 44 3 ja. 1 minute. This is wrong, I think. Just a minute. 14D minus 3D, not 4D. This is 14D minus 3D will be 11D. 14D minus 3D will be 11D. 11D is equal to 44. 11 1 ja, 11 4 ja. That implies D is equal to 4, not 14. Okay, D is equal to 4 we got, not 44. Now this D substitute in equation number 1. Then what? 11 1 ja. This is A plus 3 into D. What is D? 4 is equal to what? 22. Now 3 4 ja 12. A plus 12 is equal to 22. Now 12 taking that side, A is equal to 22 minus 12. 22 minus 12 will be 10. A is equal to 10. What is the first term? 10. What is the common difference? 4. We got first term and common difference. Is asking first bit, that is find first term and common difference. After that is asking what? Find the sum of the series up to 8 terms. Suppose I will write first 8 terms series. Therefore 10 comma plus common difference 4 14 comma plus 4 18 comma plus 4 22 comma plus 4 26 comma plus 4 30 comma plus 4 34 comma 8 terms should get 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 plus 4 38 After finding first term and common difference, is asking find the sum of 8 terms with these two common difference and the first term. Okay. So after getting first term and common difference, we can form the series like this. So on. But he's asking what sum of for this series 8 terms only. Therefore, n is equal to 8. Given that first 8 terms you have to find the sum. So n is equal to 8. First 9 terms n equal to 9. Number of terms what? That is 8. So n is equal to 8. A is equal to 10. B is equal to 4. Now, what is the formula sum of numbers? Now, Sn is equal to n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 into b. What is n by 2? N is equal to 8. 8 by 2 of 2a. What is a? I am writing here a is equal to 10. B is equal to 4 also I am writing here. Okay, for clarity. Now, 2 into a. 2 into 10 will be 20 plus n minus 1. What is n value? 8. 8 minus 1, 7 into what is d? D is 4. Now, 2 1 ja 2 4 ja cancel, that is 4 into 20 plus 7 4 ja 28. 20 plus 28 will be 48. That is 4 into 48. That is 4 8 ja 32. 4 4 ja 16 plus 3 19. 192 is the sum of the first 8 terms with common difference. 4 with first term 10 with fourth term 30, 22 with the 16th term 60, 60. Yeah, fourth term 22 na. 1 2 3 fourth term is 22. Okay, understand, Jibin?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, copy this and I gave you now some homework questions. I think 2 3 I gave you. Okay, so listen, you should practice homework questions and classwork questions every day. See, if you practice today, I gave some questions and homework questions also I gave you. If you practice today, tomorrow also you should practice these sums and tomorrow's problems. Then only you will be very perfect like me. Otherwise, you should be feel very hard. So this is very easy to learn. This is a trick. So every day you should practice. You have more time at home. Okay, no need internet, no need power, no need anything. You need a paper and pen. It is enough to practice. That's why please don't be neglect. Very important for further studies also. Some of numbers in objective exams, in some entrance exams also very important. This is okay. Copy this and after copy just leave the meeting. Thank you. Copy fast.